Meaning of godless.
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 Godless. The term godless refers to the absence of belief in God or a higher power. It can also refer to a lack of respect or reverence towards religious beliefs or institutions. A godless person is typically perceived as secular or atheist, rejecting the idea of a divine being or supernatural force guiding their lives. This word can carry negative connotations for those who place great importance on religion or spirituality, and may view godlessness as a moral failing or a threat to social order.